So, this is our word problem for today. Suppose a cardboard in shape of a rectangular parallelepiped has outer dimension 14, 14, and 28 inches. If cardboard is 1/8 inch thick, approximate the volume of cardboard. So, there are all the words in here we are going to find out. So the first step of RADS is read. So we are going to circle out all the details. So first, it is a shape of rectangular parallelepiped. It tells us the shape of it. And second, it tells us the outer dimensions is 14, 14, and 28 inches. This is all the details we are going to know. And it is, no, one more. It is 1/8 inch thick. And what we're going to find is the volume of the cardboard. So these are all the informations. Second, analyze. These are the volume is the final things we're going to find out. So overall, we're going to find its, and the way we find the volume is to find x, y, and z, which means, let me draw a graph, which means like this, and it is thick like this, and there is no top for cardboard. This is what we are predicting for the answers. And there is a z. Okay, so next is to translate. We've already translated English to math. So let's solve it out. Solve the problem. So the next step is solve. So for solving this question, just let the volume V of x, y, and z equals x, y, z. Since you are going to, this is the volume, and then which it is given in the question. V, x equals to 14, y is 14, and z is 28. Is the volume of the outer dimensions. So H, K, and L H, K, and L are the thickness. So it is negative 1/4. And then we seek that V equals 14, 14, 28 minus the volume of 14 minus 1/4. 14 minus 1/4, the 14 and 28 minus 1/4. The next step, according to the formula that f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k, and z0 plus l, which is equal to f of x0, y0, z0 plus fx x0, y0, z0 h plus fy x0, y0, z0 k plus fz x0, y0, z0 l. So the reason why we h, k, and l are this, because 1/8 inches thick is really hard number we to calculate. So we want to make this problem easy. So we add 1/4 to it, so it becomes 1. And this is a formula for approximation. So this formula is, all the volume equals f of x0, y0, and z0 plus the derivative of fx, derivative of the function to the x, and multiplied by the h, and plus the derivative function to the y, and plus multiply k, and plus derivative of function of to the z and multiply L. That's the general idea that how we solve this kind of problem, and then we're going to calculate it. So basically, there it is equals to negative 14 multiply 28 multiply negative 1 over 4 subtract by 14 plus 28 subtract by negative 1 over 4 subtract 14 multiply 14 multiply negative 1 over 4. So over all of this is equal to 245, and the unit of this is the cubic inches, since it is volume, and the unit of every single one is inch, so the unit for volume is cubic inches. Now we're going to, next step is going to check. So my answer is reasonable, and I checked with the answer sheet. They have the same value, so my answer is correct. And my units is correct as well, because it's cubic inches, no doubt. And the format of all the steps are clear. So that's it. And I think the rest process is quite helpful, because if you do not write them out and think through the process, you might mislead by the questions, like for example, it is a rectangular parallel and it's cardboard, so there is no top for the volume. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.